Pwede ba flash?
If you have questioned something inside the cave, you can ask for me. My name is Toto.
Totong. Hi,
Next
Totong.
name is Toteng.
Hi, Toteng.
First name is Ted. I log in the National Geographic, discovery and living India. My name is Toto.
Wow.
Kaya nagbago ng pangalan ko naman Toteng sa Pinoy Big Brother.
Hala, punta ba sila dito? Wow. Let's smile.
Really good.
Kompleto ba sa tayo mo? Dito, wala pa.
Let's.
Wow.
No.
Over the cave, American, they were with the professor and University of Michigan, 1887. 8.2 kilometers near the water. Close to the dry at 21 kilometers.
Pwede hawakan?
Wow.
Bawal yan.
Ay, bawal.
Ipuhin nyo lang po.
Where's the monkey? Ma.
The travel now, 1.5 kilometers, 45 minutes round trip. 4 knots flat tire. The flat tire is 2 hours.
Pwede mo ako na palit.
Sa favorite life. Smile, smile. Like.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good night. Good night, sir. Wow.
One more like.
Paano?
Small crocodile.
Oh.
No crocodile here because the water is brackish. Combination, salt and fresh water. Only sound of paddle. Where the leaf sound below the rock, maybe the footman is pulling down.
Mama, crocodile pala rin.
Sana raw.
Wow.
Dinosaur.
Wow.
Look
Manong,
at
kumatay ba
that.
yung mga paligid? Habang lumilipad?
Yung lumilipad, hindi yan maliki. Swallow bird. Yan sa unahan natin, sa unahan ko. Unahan nyo
Unahan.
dito.
Unahan.
Lahat ng hotel sa yan, marami.
Dasa ko
Lahat ng
sila.
hotel ko, lahat pa. Yan.
Ayan.
Ano yan?
Wow.
Paniki.
Wow.
Yan ang tawag na insect ba? Insect, kaya ganyan na sila kalaki. Pero yung malaki, hindi na yan bat. Bato na yung malaki. Living the bat, because the last night rounds are okay. We have overhang. Hangover.
Yan o, nakabuilt yan. Baka daw pa yung isa. Taihan mo to, taihan mo.
Kita mo yung paniki, Chi?
Wow, paniki. Right side daw, dali. Ano?
Right side po. That one is a basket. Mini bat inside there. Not going inside was very, very small. Go inside now the bathroom, not going inside the basket. Front, the brown door on the top is a dinosaur. That is stalactite or stalagmite because most of the wall, the ring is flow is stone. They grow every year, 0.2 millimeters. Kaya bawat siyang hawakan, pwede na siyang ipuhin.
Gano'n po kalaki dito?
If the water here is 27 feet 9 meters.
Oh.
That's only 10 the water. We have the shallow dip. Mayroon tayong madalang mamaya na mababaw.
Malalim niya mo ba?
Gano'n kalaki dito? 20.
9 meters. 27 feet.
Kita niyo pala biro-biro.
Hindi kaya mo naman yun.
tapos na yung battery. One, two, one, two.
Siguro yun yung mga bagong tulong-tubig. Ano?
Puro buka lang.
Yun yung paligid. Sa taas.
So kinds of marble inside being gray and white.
Ayun, there's
Ano ka?
that.
Manong kailan pa na-discover tong